let's print out your PDF pattern. Once you download your pattern, you will open your zip file. Double-click this folder on your computer to open the files. You'll want a PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat, which is a free app, to open the pattern. Select which view of the pattern you'll be making. Open this file in the PDF reader, and if you want to print one size at a time, you'll see on the left-hand side a layers option to select the size you want to print. Print on an 8.5 by 11 standard printer paper. Before you print, make sure it's selected to print actual size. Your pages are going to print with gray letters in the background, dotted lines, and diamonds. These will guide you as you line up the pattern perfectly. The letters indicate the column, and the number indicates the order in the row. You can also reference your PDF pattern layout included in the pattern. You'll want to trim the bottom and right sides of the dotted lines, or you can fold these edges and skip the cutting part. Line up the diamond shapes and tape each piece together. When you reach the A letter, this is your cue to move to the next row and align the A columns. This is what your finished pattern should look like when taped together. Of course, the pattern pieces may look different, but the taping will look similar.